Hello everyone, welcome to bisptrainings.com. My name is Sumit and we are going to start preparing various sales and financial reports in Salesforce by through a reporting analysis. And this is my first video in that series. In this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough about how to prepare a report for all the closed sales report all the closed sales opportunities for the current quarter and how to present it to the sales manager of an organization through a dashboard. So let me explain you that what exactly my requirement is. I would like to present the data in this particular format where we have a donut chart, and in this donut chart we have sales versus quarter, and it represents the total sale for the current quarter. And also I would like to apply a filter on top of that. So first of all, we'll see the data we are going to use. So I've already got a data in my Salesforce. So I've already got a data in my Salesforce in opportunities, and I would like to list all the opportunities which are closed as one for all the financial years, for this year, for previous year, or for any year. So you can see we have got around 18 records, and out of 18 records, the close date, if you look at the close date is for current year as well as for previous financial year, for previous quarter as well as for this quarter as well. So I want to create a report first of all for the same, for the to display all the closed opportunities as one for the current quarter. So in order to do that, we have two objects here, reports and dashboards. So I click on reports to prepare a reports first of all, and that report will be going to add on dashboard. So I click on new report, and in new report I select the object type as an opportunity. Select opportunity and click on create. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the filter. So according to my requirement, I just wanted to display the closed opportunity for as a one for the current financial quarter. So I select show all opportunities. Opportunity status, right now it is any. I set this to closed one. It will refresh the data. And probability all close date for the current financial quarter, and the current financial quarter is from this date to this date. If you want to modify the dates, you can do that. If you want to know for the previous financial quarter, we have various options available here. Previous financial quarter, previous financial quarter for the specific date. So I'll go for current financial quarter. So these are the records. We have predefined records here, and it's in a tabular format. I would like to prepare a summary report for the same. So I click on summary report. As soon as we clicked on summary report, we'll get an option to summarize the data. We can group the data. We can prepare group on top of that. So to create a grouping, I select the close month and drag and drop in this particular section, in the grouping section. Because right now we have all the reports which are available here, they close in the same month. They close in the first month of 2016. So that's why we have all the records here. If we have other records as well, if we have records for other months, we can see that as well. And also I would like to summarize the data based on amount, because I want to calculate it, I want to aggregate it. So I select amount, click on this arrow, click on summarize this field, click on sum and apply. So I'll get the total amount which we have, which we are going to say, means how much sale we are going to do. So that's the amount. I simple save it. I saved it as I save the report as closed sales this quarter, save under this folder my personal custom reports, and I simply click on save and run report. So the report will create. It is getting an error message because this it should provide we should provide a unique name, and this report was already created. So anyway, I modify the name and click on save and run. We have got the records here. Now I want to present the same report to my sales manager or the sales manager of an organization through a dashboard. So now we are going to prepare a dashboard by using this report. So I switch to dashboard, click on dashboard. So we don't have any dashboard right now. I click on new dashboard. First of all, I'll save it and give a name, closed sales current quarter, and save it. The dashboard has created. Now I drop the gauge chart over here. That's the gauge chart, and in this gauge chart I look for the we need to add the data source. So I select the click on data source, and from the report, in by going into my personal custom report, I drag and drop the data source onto this gauge chart. You can see this gauge chart has been created, but it's displaying the value, it's displaying the full value. So I just want to customize it. So for the customization, I click on edit attributes, and I'm going to set the breakpoints. So I set the breakpoints here. First is for 2 lakh, another second breakpoint is for 4 lakh, and the last one is for 6 lakh. So I have specified the values. If you want, we can change the color as well. So the color, that's the default color, red, yellow and green. We can change the color format and click on OK. So the color has changed, the points has been set. Now we need to change the title and the header and footer. So I select closed sale as header, and we want title at sales versus quarter. So I write sales versus quarter. And we have sum of amounts in millions, and also I want to add a footer, and the footer I specify sales for the current fiscal quarter. So once we're done with this, I'll save it and close it. Save and close. So the dashboard has been prepared, but there is an issue with the dashboard. Let's suppose I would like to apply a filter on this. Now, why do we need filter on this? Because let's say not of all the users they are interested in the same data. For example, some sales representative may need to see the data restricted to the industry sector they work in. So for this, we need to create a dashboard filter, and we need to add the filters in the dashboard according to the industry, based on the industry. So to apply a filter, I again click on edit, and in this edit we have an option for add filters. Now what in filters, what values we are going to add? So because these opportunities they belongs to an account, so we have got various accounts. So based on the industries we have available in agriculture and apparel, banking, biotechnology and electronics and energy, based on that we can apply the filter over here. So I click on add filters, and I'm going to apply a filter, and the filter will be based on industry. So I select industry, and operators, it should be contains. I'm going to add the values, various values, different values. So industry we have, let's say agriculture, agriculture, banking, and environment, finance, or we can add the filters based on the industry where the user based on user is interested in. So healthcare, insurance, retail. I want to add more filters. We can have multiple options for filters. Hospitality and recreation, retail, and add row here, biotechnology, chemical, and construction, engineering, environment, and so on. And when I click on OK and pick list, sorry, it should be contains, OK, and we'll simple save and close it. So the filter has been applied. Now let's go and have a look for the dashboard, how actually the dashboard looks like. So now we have got filter here. We can apply filter based on agriculture, banking, healthcare, insurance, and retail, or we can apply a filter uh, according to the apparel, hospitality, recreation, retail, or according to the biotechnology, chemical, construction, engineering requirement. So the users, they can filter the dashboard as their requirement. And once we're done with this dashboard, we can share this dashboard to the sales manager on the home page. So how to share the dashboard? We'll be going to see that in next session. In our next video, we'll be going to see that how to share the dashboard to our clients, to our users based on their accessibility. That's all in this video. If you have any queries, you can get back to us, or you can write to us on www.bisptrainings.com. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos on Python. We'll be continuing creating the reports, sales reports, as well as the financial reports in Salesforce. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.